Welcome to 65 South Hibiscus Drive, Miami Beach, Florida 33139, a stunning modern estate, a true architectural masterpiece located on an expansive corner lot in the exclusive guard-gated Hibiscus Island community in Miami Beach. Built in 2020, it spans 6,191 square feet across 2 stories, currently not for sale. It last sold on May 12, 2025 for $10 million. The home features 7 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath, making it ideal for luxury living or entertaining on a grand scale. Situated in Miami-Dade County, it's part of a prestigious waterfront enclave with amenities like a park, tennis and basketball courts, a playground, and 24-hour security. Hibiscus Island offers a serene, car-dependent lifestyle with easy access to Miami Beach's vibrant scene. The lot measures approximately 115 by 125 feet, providing ample privacy and space. The home's design emphasizes seamless indoor-outdoor flow, sophisticated minimalism, and high-end functionality, drawing on tropical modern aesthetics tailored to Miami's climate. This entertainer's paradise extends outdoors with a sparkling infinity edge pool, expansive lounge deck areas for alfresco dining, seating up to over 36, and lush tropical landscaping. A separate 1-bedroom and 1-bath guest house provides privacy for visitors. The property includes 360-degree bay views, a private dock for yacht access, and covered parking for 2 cars plus driveway space for up to 12 vehicles. The residence was expertly designed by the world-renowned architecture and design firm Choof Levy Fishman Architecture and Design. The landscape and pool design were crafted by acclaimed landscape architect Christopher Cawley, known for his lush, functional outdoor spaces that enhance privacy and entertainment in high-end waterfront settings. Constructed in 2020 as a new build, replacing any prior structure on the lot, the home prioritizes durability in a coastal environment with hurricane-resistant features. It's built with concrete block construction, a concrete roof, and impact glass throughout for storm protection, essential for Miami-Dade County's building codes. This meticulous build showcases attention to detail, from the expansive foundation supporting the 2-story frame to the integrated smart home systems. You enter through the elegant entryway into the double-height foyer, a dramatic 2-story space that immediately sets the tone for luxury. With vaulted ceilings reaching toward the sky, this area features sleek white walls, accented by custom millwork and expansive glass panels that frame views of the manicured tropical gardens outside. The terrazzo flooring gleams underfoot, polished to a mirror-like shine, while subtle recessed lighting and a statement chandelier, a modern crystal linear fixture, cast a warm glow. Flowing directly from the foyer, the formal living room, part of the expansive sunlit living areas, spans approximately 25 by 20 feet, embracing an open concept design that connects to the dining room, family room, and kitchen. High ceilings over 12 feet on the main level amplify the airy feel, with elegant wood-paneled accents adding warmth to the cool marble and terrazzo floors. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors, stacking pocket style for full openness, invite in panoramic views of the pool and lush backyard, making this space perfect for alfresco entertaining. Custom built-ins line one wall, ideal for a grand media setup or library shelving, while neutral tones, soft grays, whites, and natural woods create a timeless palette. A central fireplace, gas or ethanol, serves as a focal point, flanked by plush seating arrangements that encourage conversation. Adjacent informal living zones blend seamlessly, with the overall area fostering effortless flow for family gatherings or cocktail parties. The interiors showcase a modern, minimalist aesthetic with high-end, custom elements tailored for luxury and functionality. While specific furniture brands aren't detailed in listings, the design emphasizes bespoke and built-in pieces that enhance the contemporary style. The furnishings appear fully staged for the listing, focusing on clean lines, neutral colors, and multifunctional pieces that complement the indoor-outdoor flow. If you're interested in sourcing similar items, look for brands like Poliform or B&B Italia for custom cabinetry, or Minotti for modern kitchen appliances integration. Speaking of kitchen, the heart of the home is a true chef's dream. Spacious, open, and integrated with the living, dining areas for effortless hosting. It boasts top-of-the-line Thermador and Wolf appliances, including a gas range, built-in wall oven, dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. Custom bespoke cabinetry in sleek, elegant finishes, and a large cooking island ideal for prep or casual meals. An adjacent pantry provides ample storage, and the eat-in kitchen flows into formal and informal dining rooms. High ceilings and natural light amplify the airy, sophisticated vibe, with marble countertops and premium hardware elevating every detail. Here you have dining room, a dedicated separate formal dining room, perfect for upscale dinners seating 8 to 10 guests. It's positioned within the open floor plan near the living and family areas, allowing for easy flow during events. Sleek, contemporary styling with built-in cabinetry for stemware and serveware, a custom chandelier or recessed lighting, and walls of glass opening to the outdoors for bay views. The space exudes refinement with polished concrete or wide plank oak flooring, neutral tones, whites, grays, and subtle wood accents, and minimalist furniture like a long glass-top table. Also adjoining the kitchen is the breakfast nook, also referred to as the eat-in kitchen, a light-filled casual space perfect for morning coffee or family meals. This cozy yet airy nook features built-in banquette seating or a sunny window perch overlooking the lush backyard with direct access to the outdoors via sliding glass doors. It's positioned for optimal flow, close enough to the main kitchen for easy serving, but intimate enough for relaxed breakfasts amid the home's serene tropical vibe. Imagine starting your day here with ocean breezes wafting in, surrounded by the nook's clean lines and subtle luxury finishes that echo the home's modern aesthetic. The great room here serves as the heart of the home, embodying the property's contemporary tropical design by renowned architects Choof Levy Fishman. It's an expansive, open-concept space that flows effortlessly into the dining area, kitchen, and outdoors, perfect for entertaining or relaxed family gatherings. Layout and flow is part of a sprawling first-floor open-floor plan. The great room connects to a formal dining room, informal dining nook, family room, and chef prep kitchens. Soaring vaulted ceilings with skylights flood the space with natural light, creating an airy, lofty ambiance. Volume ceilings enhance the sense of grandeur, making the room feel even more expansive. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors and panoramic windows line the walls, offering unobstructed views of the lush tropical landscape, pool, and Biscayne Bay. These retractable doors blur the boundaries between inside and out, inviting breezes and sunlight while maintaining privacy in the gated community. This space integrates modern amenities like recessed lighting and potentially smart home controls. Adjacent to the gourmet kitchen equipped with Thermador and Wolf appliances, it's ideal for casual lounging or formal soirees. Imagine sinking into plush seating amid minimalist yet luxurious furnishings. Think white oak floors, marble accents, and subtle metallic hardware, while gazing at the infinity-edge pool just beyond. The room's design prioritizes tranquility and versatility, with room for a grand piano, media setup, or conversation pits. The family room connects directly to the informal dining area, kitchen, and outdoor patio via expansive sliding glass doors. This creates a bright, airy space that flows into the backyard oasis, emphasizing the home's waterfront views of Biscayne Bay. In a neighborhood of multi-million-dollar estates, this property's family rooms exemplify functional luxury, spaces that adapt from daily family life to hosting over 20 guests without feeling cramped. Here you have open balcony, which enhances the home's airy contemporary vibe by providing unobstructed views and easy access to the outdoors. Listed under exterior features alongside a fence, high-impact security doors, exterior lighting, and an outdoor grill, the balcony integrates with the property's emphasis on blending interiors with the tropical landscape. With 8 bathrooms total, this home prioritizes spa-like luxury and privacy, aligning with its high-end design. Most appear to be en suite to bedrooms, based on descriptions of 2 master suites and 3 additional ensuite bedrooms upstairs, ensuring convenience for family and guests. Located in the upstairs primary suite, a private sanctuary with sitting area and dual oversized walk-in closets. This is the standout feature. Positioned on the ground floor near the family room for easy access, with custom shelving and a desk area, this here is the library room, which can be also used as an office. All 6 secondary bedrooms are en suite for maximum privacy, 1 on the main level for guests, with the rest upstairs, including a potential children's wing. Each offers closet cabinetry, ample natural light, and direct access to outdoor patios or balconies. Features like built-in desks and sitting areas make them versatile for offices or nurseries. True retreat spanning the upper level, featuring a sitting area, dual vanities with dual sinks, a spa-inspired ensuite bath with separate tub and shower, and 2 oversized walk-in closets. Vaulted ceilings and private balcony access add to the serenity. The indulgent primary suite, one of 2 master suites in the home, is a serene upstairs oasis designed for ultimate relaxation and luxury. Expansive space with a dedicated sitting area for lounging or reading, high ceilings and abundant natural light from large windows and glass doors offering bay views. Luxe design with dual sinks, separate tub and shower, skylights for brightness, and premium finishes like marble or stone, per listing details. It includes a private outdoor shower accessible via a deep terrace, vaulted ceilings, built-in features, and direct access to the upper-level family room for convenience. The suite emphasizes privacy with soundproofing and separation from other bedrooms. The primary suite's dual walk-in closets are a highlight, designed for ultimate organization and luxury. Oversized, estimated over 100 square feet combined, with 1 dedicated to each partner for privacy. Custom cabinetry, built-in drawers, hanging rods at varying heights, shoe racks, jewelry trays, and central islands for accessories. These closets exemplify the home's attention to detail, turning storage into a boutique-like experience. Over here you have this versatile formal living space, approximately 35 by 25 feet in comparable designs. Serves as an entertainer's haven, with room for a grand piano, seating for concerts or rehearsals, and built-in shelving for instruments and a table for soundboard mixer. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors from living areas open directly onto these spaces, creating a fluid transition for relaxation or entertaining. Imagine sipping morning coffee overlooking the pool or hosting sunset dinners with Hibiscus Island's waterfront in sight. The balcony's open design maximizes airflow and natural light, making it a highlight for Miami's year-round outdoor lifestyle. The property's outdoor spaces are a true entertainer's dream, blending tropical luxury with waterfront functionality on over 100 feet of bay frontage. Designed for al fresco living, they seamlessly extend the home's modern aesthetic while capitalizing on Miami's year-round climate. Saltwater infinity pool and spa edge of water pool overlooking Biscayne Bay with adjacent hot tub, heated for comfort, surrounded by teak lounge beds and cabanas for sunbathing or sunset cocktails. There's also a private dock deepwater access for yachts up to 60 feet, includes boat lift and direct bay entry, no bridges to open ocean, ideal for boating enthusiasts. Rooftop terrace and lounge sprawling over 1,000 square feet deck with wet bar and outdoor kitchen. Features built-in grill, fire pit, and shaded pergola, perfect for rooftop parties with city-to-ocean vistas. Patio and alfresco dining area, expansive covered terrace off the great room, seats over 12 with gas grill, pizza oven, and retractable awnings. Flows to the pool for easy entertaining. Outdoor shower and guest house. Private rinse-off station and detached one-bed casita. Casita has its own lounge, bath, and mini kitchen, adds privacy for guests or staff. Lush tropical gardens, high-impact fencing, and smart lighting. Low-maintenance palms, citrus trees, and automated irrigation. Security cameras integrated throughout. These amenities create a resort-like backyard oasis, with room for yoga, pool volleyball, or yacht charters right from home. The corner lot maximizes privacy and sunlight, while the gated community's paths connect to island-wide recreation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos created especially for your television.